Hi, how are you? Good evening. Thank you so much. Well, GQ is always special, and yeah, this is their 10th year, so that makes it like they makes them a decade old, decade fashionable. And I look forward to today's evening. I think it's going to be really well attended, and I'm very excited. And I'm obviously here to present an award to someone very special. I think I have a clue. I think I have a clue. I can't tell you right now. They'll kill me. Huh? Any qualities? I think someone who's just very self-assured, someone who's not trying very hard, and someone just effortlessly stylish and top of their game. I think that is for me the GQ man. I don't really know what to suggest now. I have no idea. I think just have a good time, be safe, enjoy with your family and loved ones. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Hello. Hi, how are you? I can't hear you, I'm sorry. Yes, of course, the decade, that's crazy. I want to congratulate GQ. It's a great accomplishment. Every event they hold is amazing. And of course, we're always honored to be here and, you know, attending. Who? Yes. Perfect in what sense? Yeah, I guess. I mean, he's stylish. He's very talented. Yes, why not? Yes. Yes. Yes, of course. So I'm now officially a producer. I'm producing my own international music video. I'm also singing in the video for the first time. It is the Moroccan and Middle Eastern version of Dilbar. So that's very exciting. We just wrapped up. Bosco Caesar choreographed it, and we have a big DOP, Santana, who shot Bhagi 2, Tiger's film, on board. So it's a huge project. And of course, Bharat, shooting for Bharat. I'm sorry? Of course, yes. I just finished shooting Bharat in Malta. I have a few days left to shoot in Punjab. And yeah, I'm waiting for the release. Hopefully it should be good. Thank you. Excuse me. Hi, Glamorous. Exactly. Start from the side. Right. Both of you right. Center, both of you left side. Right. Both of you stay here. Left side. Yes, stay. Now both of you. Alright, are we doing this?
Thank you so much. Thank you. I think I'm attending a GQ party after a very long time. And yeah, I'm happy to be here today. Awards for the men. It's a very vintage look. It's a very how do I say, very classic, vintage, old time. That's why the hair, that's why the lips like this, and because it's GQ, it's the Men Award, so you know, a little bit of drama and dressing up. So that's what I'm doing today. Yeah. बाजार का ट्रेलर, the response has been good, and I hope लोगों को पसंद आए. और I don't know, आप बताओ मुझे, how did people like it? I don't know. आपको कैसा लगा? Thrilling, such way. Thank you so much. Thank you. Saif is coming. Yes, yeah, he'll be here. Suggestion, I think हम सब Indians को, हमको सबको हर फेस्टिवल बहुत अच्छे से मनाना आता है. I think there's no suggestion required. I think we love our festivals, we love our culture, and I'm sure now it starts and it'll go on till end of December. So yeah, I think I can already smell the festive season in the air, so it's lovely. Thank you. Have a good evening. Oh, hi. Hello. How are you?
What do we have to say?
Oh, hello. Yeah.
I think GQ is the only magazine and the only actually like gentleman's quotient that actually teaches you more about men and teaches men about women, and I think that's the beauty about it. And I think what GQ does, no one else can. GQ gets the sexiness out of the men as well, and I think this is what this night is about. It's a jumpsuit. That's it. Like, it's covered as jumpsuit. I mean, I think it's been a while people have seen me covered, so we were like, let's go a little retro and covered. I don't know why we are even talking about it, because love has no limit. And I think it's about love, so I think love wins. It's not about equality of men loving men, women loving women. But I mean, tomorrow no one's gonna tell me, oh my god, you're straight. So why should I be like, oh my god, you're gay? It's a simple thing, it's love wins. About what? I mean, men and women are equal. What else do we say? Men and women are equal. You're working, I'm working. And I think that's about it. It's equality for humanity. Thank you. Where do we go?
Second mark. Yeah, second mark.
Anything? No? Yes? Oh, आप आ गए तो of course. Hi. Good evening. I think it's wonderful. I've been coming here for a long time, and it's really a wonderful celebration of talent and achievement. And GQ's always been associated with style and suave, so it's always a lovely evening where everyone looks amazing. Oh my God, I think the amazing thing is that it's not one quality that makes a man interesting or desirable. It's many things, so I don't have one particular thing.
And we saw possibly an ad with
Yeah. Not right now. Yeah, it's been a really interesting year. I took a step back to reassess what I was doing, and now I'm doing a film in Hindi, I'm doing a film in Tamil, I have my production house as well as my international music. So I'm very busy. Thank you. Thanks.
You know, I always feel like I never left. You know, for me, this has always been home. I travel the world on a regular basis, but you know, being here is always special, irrespective of what city you're in. Well, we do have a lot of plans. I mean, I come here all the time. I do a lot of television work. I do a lot of broadcasting, but more importantly, I do a lot of business here as well. So I keep coming back on a regular basis. And for me, when I come back here, I feel like I never left.
Let's go.
here, left corner. Yes, straight. Yes, straight. Yes, straight, please. Ma'am, right man. Right man, right man.
No bite? Oh! Good to see you. Yes. Wishing GQ a very happy 10th anniversary. I think they're doing an amazing job. They've become one of the most stylish and one of the biggest magazines. So yeah, they're doing a pretty good job. Hi. So I've been styled by Lakshmi today, and yeah, आपको beautiful लग रहा है? चलो, I'm happy. Thank you. Expectations है कि I'll have a good time. So yeah, just looking forward to having a great time. It's gonna be, I think GQ always has this good vibe going on. So yeah, excited to be here.
Any qualities you look for a GQ man?
GQ man or man? No, for me or in general? For friends? Depends ना कैसे? किस चीज़ के लिए? हाँ? But किस चीज़ के लिए? Oh, okay. In a GQ man, I think he would have to be confident. He would have to be, if it's GQ, he'll have to be stylish for sure. And yeah, I think maybe well traveled. I don't know myself. I don't know. But let's see. I think once I go inside, I'm going to find out. Thank you. Good to see you guys. Yeah? Now you told me, last time what visuals are. I remember. Is the video? Yeah. Thank you. I'm not. Hi. Yes.
I think GQ does incredible work, and since my teenage years I've been a big fan of GQ and I follow everything that they do, so it's incredible to be here tonight and be a part of the 10th anniversary, so yeah. Yes. I'm doing 2 projects, but I can't talk about it right now, but it's a big film, one film that I'm doing.
Unfortunately, I can't talk about the project right now क्योंकि I can't talk about it. लेकिन I can't talk about it. क्योंकि उन्होंने like they've asked me not to speak about it, but I'll talk to you the moment they allow me to talk about the project. But thank you. Thank you.
आपकी बहुत तारीफ करते हैं। उन्होंने कहा सर आपके बारे में बहुत अच्छी प्रतिक्रिया दी है। सर आप भी आगे शामिल हो जाइए। नहीं करने दी। राजू सर मैं आता हूँ। अरे कब आता है जाने में? अरे कहाँ जा रहे हैं? हाँ उन्होंने संजय की भी बहुत प्रशंसा है आपके लिए राजकुमार जी से रानी साहब की।
मैंने उनके साथ काम किया था मुन्ना भाई MBBS में, बहुत छोटा रोल किया था और उस वक्त पे भी मुझे भी ऐसे ही लगे थे इतने शर्मीले डायरेक्टर हैं और इतने बड़े डायरेक्टर कैसे बन जाए। मैं भी आज तक इसी उसमें हूँ। बहुत ही शर्मीले थे जब मैं काम कर रहा था उनके साथ और मुझे भी उम्मीद नहीं थी कि वो हिंदुस्तान तो क्या मतलब वर्ल्ड के इतने बड़े
ऐसे ही जो आपके बारे में कहते हैं।
हाँ वही मैंने पढ़ा था वो।
और आप बन गए इतने महान अभिनेता।
नहीं महान अभी तो बहुत सारी फिल्में करनी है मुझे, अभी से महान बन के मुझे।
और ये GQ अवार्ड काफ़ी मायने रखता है। इसी के लिए पहले अवार्ड भी आपको बताया गया कि इसी को मिला था।
जी 2012 में मुझे मिला था और ये बहुत ही प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड है। आई थिंक ये बाकी अवार्ड की तरह नहीं है कि जहाँ पे सब प्रोग्राम चल रहे हैं और बहुत सारी कैटेगरीज क्रिएट कर दी जाती हैं अननेसेसरी। तो इट्स ए वंडरफुल अवार्ड शो एंड बहुत ही प्रेस्टिजियस है। बिल्कुल संतुष्ट हूँ और मंटो ने स्पेशली पूरा वर्ल्ड वाइड वर्ल्ड के इतने बड़े बड़े फेस्टिवल्स में गई है वो फिल्म, उसको लेकर मैं हमेशा सेटिस्फाइड रहूँगा, खुश रहूँगा। भले यहाँ उसका कोई कुछ ना हो पाए, ये बिकॉज ऑफ द स्क्रीनिंग। फिल्म का हिट होना या फ्लॉप होना मुझे मंटो से पता चला कि वो स्क्रीनिंग पे बहुत डिपेंड करता है। बहुत ही बुरा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन था हमारी फिल्म का। अभी तो मुझे खुद पता नहीं मैं कहाँ देखूँगा। अच्छा फिल्म की बात कर रहे हैं आप? अभी नेक्स्ट ठाकरे आएगी, ठाकरे बाला साहब के ऊपर।
Yeah.
हाँ जी, हाय, थोड़ा ज़ोर से बोलना पड़ेगा। GQ अवार्ड्स हमेशा स्पेशल होता है। 2016 में मैं पहली बार आया था यहाँ पे, when they awarded me the Breakthrough Talent Award, और हर साल उन्होंने बहुत सपोर्ट किया है, हमेशा एक्नॉलेज किया है मेरे एफर्ट्स को। सो GQ हैज़ अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल प्लेस इन माई हार्ट। हाँ जी, उरी का टीज़र कल आ रहा है, पोस्टर कल आ रहा है। सो वी आर वेरी एक्साइटेड कि फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड है, बहुत मेहनत गई है फिल्म बनाने में और फाइनली ये दर्शकों तक आ रही है, टीज़र आ रहा है, तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ कि कल का दिन कैसा जाएगा। बहुत ज़्यादा इनफैक्ट ये साल बहुत खूबसूरत रहा है, लोगों का बहुत प्यार मिला है और आगे भी मेहनत करता रहूँगा ताकि ये प्यार बरकरार रहे। ये अब तो एक ही रात बची है, अब एक रात और रुक जाओ, कैरेक्टर दिख जाएगा आपको कल। I think so. I think with each passing day, I am more confident than I was yesterday. So it's an ongoing process. It feels good. GQ, I mean, it's the go-to place for fashion for everyone. It's the go-to place for to see who's in, who's out, and it feels great. Congratulations to GQ for their 10th anniversary. देखिए, मुझे स्टाइल के बारे में बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं पता, इसका क्रेडिट मैं दूंगा मेरी स्टाइलिस्ट है अमनदीप कौर, उनको दूंगा। मुझे बिल्कुल भी स्टाइल के बारे में रत्ती भर नहीं पता, मेरा मन करे मैं पजामे में आऊँ यहाँ पे। थैंक यू। हाँ जी, उन्हीं ने स्टाइल किया। अमनदीप कौर। तख्त में हम साथ में कास्ट हुए हैं, तो यार तख्त कर रहे हैं साथ में। नेक्स्ट ईयर। थैंक यू।
I'm done. Good evening. How are you? Yes. So it's a big evening, I feel, because celebrating 10 years of GQ, it just come a long way, and I'm very excited to be here. I'm sorry? So I'm wearing a Roberto Cavalli, and first time I'm wearing something that he's designed. It's simple. It's a simple, elegant black dress, and I'm happy I'm keeping it simple. तो स्टेटस तो अभी बस 3-4 दिन की शूट बाकी है, एंड द फिल्म इज ड्यू टू रिलीज इन डिसम्बर, सो दैट्स समथिंग आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू एज वेल, एंड देन होपफुली स्टार्टिंग ऑन अनदर प्रोजेक्ट इन Jan, so fingers crossed in that.
pictures at the cafes and everything. We need to see you more.
I also really want to see myself on screen, so I just want your wishes and blessings. So December is not too far away. Thank you. Thank you.
It's so great to be here again after many months, and thanks for having me, and hope there's going to be many more years to come, and have a great year.
Can I ask you, another season has started.
Yeah. Yeah.
Have you seen it?
No, not yet, but I've heard that there are very interesting couples in the show. Unfortunately, not yet. I haven't followed the show, but I just wish all of them good luck, have fun, and yeah, kick ass.
What tip you can give for the winner to win the show?
I think stay true, and yeah, stay true to yourself, and I think there is no formula that you can actually play to win the show, and if the audience, they like you, and I think that's pretty much it. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you guys.
Yeah, right here. Right here, center look. Yeah, right here. Yeah. On your right, please. Ma'am, here. Yeah, right. Left corner. Yeah, sister. Yeah, left corner. ये भी राइट में देखो। वो तो फिर लेफ्ट साइड बहुत स्मार्ट हो। वो तो फिर लेफ्ट साइड है। ये राइट साइड प्लीज। ये लेफ्ट साइड है। या वो तो राइट। सेंटर प्लीज। both of you सेंटर। राइट में थैंक यू लेफ्ट कॉर्नर या सेंटर या लेफ्ट कॉर्नर राइट या सामने एकदम राइट लेफ्ट कॉर्नर यहाँ पे